Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper, question number 65. A single stage axial compressor with a 50% degree of reaction runs at a mean blade speed of 250 meter per second. The overall pressure ratio valve is 1.3. Inlet pressure and temperature are 1 bar and 300 Kelvin respectively. Actual velocity is 200 meter per second. Specific heat at constant pressure Cp is equal to 1005 joule per kg per degree Kelvin, and specific heat ratio gamma is equal to 1.4. The rotor blade angle at the outlet is dash degree, rounded up to 2 decimal places. So for 50% degree of reaction compressor, axial flow compressor, the velocity diagram is like that. So this is your absolute velocity at inlet. This is one component. This is axial component. This is air angle. This is blade angle. This is relative velocity, and this is your blade velocity. Okay. So this is inlet velocity diagram. So in 50% degree of reaction, this uh, air angle is equal to blade angle at outlet, and this angle is equal to this. Beta 1 is equal to alpha 2, and beta 2 is equal to alpha 1. Okay, from this velocity diagram we have tangent beta 1, tangent of this plus tangent of this is equal to u by c. So this is equation number 1. By energy balance, uh, the work done in terms of temperature Cp into delta Ts means transition temperature rise is equal to u work in terms of velocity u Cw2 minus Cw1. This is inlet, this is outlet. Cw2 minus Cw1. So Cw2 can be written as Ca Ca tangent alpha 2, and tangent alpha 2 is equal to beta 1, and Cw1 can be written as Ca tangent beta 2. Okay. So from this we have tangent beta 1 minus tangent beta 2 is equal to Cpt delta Ts divided by UCA. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, so if we subtract these two, so tangent 2 tangent beta 2 will be equal to UCA minus Cp delta Ts divided by UCA. So this is equation number 3. And delta Ts is equal to T02 minus T01. Okay. So and overall pressure ratio is given as 1.3. So P02 by P01 is your 1.3, and using isentropic relation we can find out T02 by T01, that is 1.3 for 1 by 3.5, because gamma is 1.4. So putting this, it will be 1 by 3.5. So T02 by T01 will be at 1.077, and T02 will be at T01 into 1.077. Now we can uh, put this T02 here. Okay. So first of all, putting the delta Ts, that is T02 minus T01, then putting this T02 is equal to T01 into 1.077. So subtracting these two, it will be CPT01 0.077 divided by UC. So this is equation number 4. Okay. So now we want to find out this T01 in terms of this beta 2 also. Okay, because beta 2 is known, unknown, and T01 is unknown. So T01 is P1 plus C1 square by Cp. C1 is by 2Cp. C1 is this velocity, inlet velocity, and T1 is your static temperature. So that is your CPT1 is your temperature energy, CPT01 is your total energy, and C1 square by 2 is your kinetic energy. So from this we can find out T01 stagnation. That is the way to find out the stagnation temperature, then static temperature is not. Okay. So now this C1 can be written as Ca by cos beta 2. This is your Ca, and this angle is beta 2. So this is C1 can be written as Ca by cos beta 2. Okay. So now this is Ca by cos beta 2, and Ca is known now, T1 is known, Cp is known. Okay. Only variable is cos beta 2, and here also the only variable is cos beta 2, beta 2. So now if we put the value of T01 here, then we get this equation. Now in this equation we have only one variable, that is beta 2. So that equation can be solved by hit and trial. Okay, now putting the value of u, that is 250, ca 200, and here we have 0.077 cp 1005, u 250, ca 200, and okay, so putting these values, so by hit and trial we get beta 2 is equal to, sorry, by hit and trial we first we take beta 2 as 20 degree, then left hand side comes out as 0.7279, and right hand side comes out as 0.75. So these are not equal, so taking another, that is beta 2 is equal to 21, that is left hand side comes out as 0.7677, and right hand side comes out as 0.75035. So approximate answer is, these are almost very close, so approximate answer can be your 21. So or by further, for further uh, accuracy we can use in points also. So approximate answer by using this is 21, that is in the key also. Okay, so by using 21 we get this term as 0.7677, and this term as 0.75035. Okay, so we can write the answer as 21.